Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, what I'm going to show you how to do is build your own raised bed garden out of a 55-gallon drum. Well, these are 96-inch 2x4s, so they should be exactly 8 foot, and they are. So I need one of these cut at 48 inches. Alright, our next cut, we need 2 of them that are 38. Cut this one. And then I need one that is 35 inches. So here is all my wood that I have pre-cut, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my power nailer. I'm going to nail this framework together, and I may even go ahead and nail my legs on there. Right in here where I just toe nailed it into the leg, then I came in on the back side and put a block in there, and I did that on each leg that I toe nailed. These braces are pretty straightforward. It's just 18 inches from here to here. Cut it to 45, and you just position it on the frame to where everything lines up. Well, I know you're wondering kind of how do you keep the barrel cut in the center. I have a seam line right here. They have them on the top, on the side, and the bottom. Well, looky here, we've done a little rearranging, and I would say a word from the wise: plan how you're going to lay it out before. Moving those around on uneven soil is a bit of a challenge, but anyway, we got her done. Well, even though the AC unit's over here running, I'm going to go ahead and kind of shoot this because I've been waiting for it to go off for a while. But we've got them all placed and rearranged. Got a little space in there that I can get in and everything. I don't really need a space over here because I can get to everything over there. So I believe I've got it positioned the way I need it. So anyway, anyway, guys, we got that extra little raised bed garden. We got it all rearranged and put in place. So anyway, I do appreciate you coming by. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.